Once, Gautama Buddha was sitting peacefully with his disciples when they noticed his serene demeanor and wondered if he was unwell. One disciple asked why he was sitting silently that day, questioning if they had made a mistake. Another disciple inquired if he was unwell, but Buddha remained silent, deep in meditation. Suddenly, a man standing at a distance shouted loudly, "Why am I not allowed to sit in the assembly today?" Buddha continued meditating with his eyes closed. The man shouted again, "Why am I not allowed entry?" A compassionate disciple spoke up in his defense, suggesting he be allowed to join the assembly. Buddha opened his eyes and calmly replied, "No, he is an outcast. He cannot be allowed entry." This statement surprised the disciples. They questioned Buddha, "There is no discrimination of caste in our ashram, so how can he be an outcast?" Buddha explained, "Today, he came in anger. Anger disrupts the unity of life. An angry person often resorts to mental violence, hence as long as he harbors anger, he remains an outcast. Therefore, he should spend some time in solitude." The angry disciple was listening and realized the truth in Buddha's words. He felt remorseful and understood that non-violence is humanity's greatest duty and ultimate virtue. He fell at Buddha's feet, vowing never to be angry again. Lesson: the story teaches us that anger leads a person to commit wrongs and regret later, bringing no benefit. Therefore, we should avoid anger. In reality, an angry person becomes untouchable and should be left alone. Anger causes harm to body, mind, and wealth. There is nothing more harmful than anger.